In this video, I will talk about present value of annuity. What's present value of an annuity? The present value of the cash flows that will be paid or received up to a specified time in the future is called present value of an annuity. For example, this method is used when an employee deposits a certain amount of his salary in a bank or financial institution to determine how much money he will get in installments every year or every month until a certain time in the future. Present value of annuity is of two types, viz. Present value of an ordinary annuity and present value of an annuity due. To calculate the present value of an annuity, one must know the annuity payment amount, number of periods, and projected rate of return. Let's go to the Excel sheet to see a live demo. As you can see on the screen, payment, interest rate, and number of periods were provided. For computing the present value of an annuity, at first we have to put equal sign, then type PV. Double tap on it to see the formula. Then click on C4 cell for interest rate, put comma, click on C5 cell for number of periods, put comma, type minus, and then click on C3 cell for payment, put comma. As there is no future value, so type 0, put comma, type 0 to show end of the period. Close the bracket and press the enter key. As you can see, the present value of an annuity is shown $152,121.59. Thanks for watching the video.